Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce, baby. I'll be a made chiaka see if you ho hop ne ebrew. Igbo King. I is in the news again. Ga a handful. And the Serbian constitution, no. Ga manche in his wisdom with Jinemuka say Igbo King, me ma won't do Yam Festival, no. And yet because you are not a citizen of Ghana. By what Ghana does not mean say you are a citizen. Near going in the Bayano, ya who said Igbo King no flyers. I purchase Obedi Festival. Now, from investigation, Kaka means say there are people in high places behind this man.
We are picking up intelligence report suggesting that Chukwu the Jude, the South-style king of the Igbos in Ghana, is secretly distributing flyers. The move signals that his outfit is bent on celebrating the Yam Festival, despite the widespread concerns we have already highlighted and calls for him to back down. The Ayariga is there. Opeso Eden or ya send the Yam Festival no obe celebrity, even though yakase tiaso unyai. Intelligence are epic. We've plotted a lot of intelligence, even in his household. I don't want to speak much. Now, what my dream is they will celebrate the Yam Festival at all costs. When we say the Nipate, we never Ghana and Penifunu Eba. Tonight, on the Frontline show, we put it plainly to this Nigerian self-styled creature. Let it be known that we now accept what? We now what? Accept the challenge. It has become increasingly clear to us that his very presence in Ghana was never what? Was never by accident. No. With a deliberate purpose to disrupt our what? Ghana's political process. And as the allegations suggest, to attempt nothing less than what? A takeover of this what? Country. There you say, Eba Oba Hano, when Medro has said, a accident even at Nibepi Debi, a Buapayo, a Butaye, a Susuye, and a Adin Bonia, a car on any dom who said, one moba abefa Ghana no, ne kwabia mbefa swap, one benya Ghana, no media ha, ayo monai suntiaso, as per one of their stupid book, tells that what? Ghana was revealed to them in some ancient days or whatever. Animals, you cannot describe them, whichever species within the kingdom of the animals era they come from. I don't know. That Ghana was revealed to them. The members of the country say, "One maha accident to one de buapayobi no de buy." But you know what? We cannot forgive where we come from. Our leadership in this country, we cannot forgive our leaders. Ghanaians, listen to me one more time. We cannot forgive our leaders right from the Fourth Republic until now. But something is in the making at these leaders. Wait a minute. Helicopter crash near Moon, you'll be wiped off on the surface of this very planet called Ghana. As far as the spirit of this nation liveth. Tonight here on the Frontline show. Tonight on the Frontline show, right? And on behalf of Ghanaians, both home and abroad, across the world, we issue a final caution and a warning to the self-styled crook Chukwu the Jude and his gang of accomplices back in Nigeria. If they dare step out, if they dare step out to stage their so-called New Year Yam Festival in Ghana, then let us see what happens. Yeah, can say, woman mema enough, woman eshwa mienu. Okay, so me mema, and woman shwa, say the Akufo de kind, mienu. Woman shwa, ewo tebia etio munemu. Yes, so mumra bontain no me Yam Festival. Ni enhwe DBC. Dia yesime nkanjire mu anno. Yeguso kasaba. We are warning ahead of this impending festival. If indeed he wants to try the patience of Ghanaians, we assure him he will be the first casualty on Ghanaian soil. with his blood spilled on our land, and his remains will be thrown into the crocodile pool, and his body will not be left for his family to give him a decent burial. We want to sound this terrible warning to him and his cohorts back in Nigeria who are bent on causing unwarranted disturbances for Ghanaians to immediately back off, right? And what? Leave Ghana quickly. We will not dance around this warning if Igbos of Nigeria think, and can figure this out. Yeah, I say this to you. The Ayariga is them. So when we are member enough, no, we say 25th of what? September. When we celebrate the New Year Yam Festival. Yes, they should go ahead. They should go and celebrate it. They are say, yeah, the bear no, you be a hunka no. Yeah. On one kasa will be wasted. The soil, this soil called Ghana. Na ni moja begu asasi we so. Ni area ni body susu de ninsan, ni family ninsan kind of body. Let any Nigerian man do your worst in your corridors. That's what I said to you. And that's the communication coming from the high powered. So if Chukwudi bent on celebrating the Yam Festival, we say go ahead. You are not doing it in Nigeria, you are doing it here. So we've given you the passage. Come and celebrate it. All over the regional capitals. You dare celebrate it. It will slight you out. And how it's going to be done, don't joke. The snipers, many snipers have gathered. They are all storming down before 25th. So you go ahead. I said what? Men, snipers are already guarded. Not national security. And for national security, they are dancing and whining with this good for nothing Babylonian God. And we don't care. But we take care of this country, not national security. But we have a statement for national security that in view of the above, we are equally requesting the national security of the state to quickly restrain this goddamn animal. Restrain him from this gross insolence and impudence acts. This creature must be made to back off before it becomes too little too late for him and his what? Crooks of Igbos. The Ayariga national security for one no. Say, Munche na mube prevent papa no, mube restraining no. Mana den ne Yam Festival no. Obe abort no. Now, how many years has he been here? In all those times, we've seen a lot of videos. This guy is holding Yam Festival, but we say no. An end to your Yam Festival is 9. Cut it off, including this year's one. So, if you're a man enough, a Nigerian Igbo man, who in your belief you fought Biafran war and you are so crafty enough, you've brought so many ammunitions, whatever it is, we say go ahead, no problem. We are only asking you, go ahead with that celebration. On the 25th of what? Of September, go ahead. Yeah. A lot of snipers are ready. They are already in town. You are surrounded, but you don't know. Including those useless, good for nothing Nigerian boys. Back home and here. Who are making noise. Continue. Okay, continue. We are ready. If for nothing at all, I would say to you that you don't have to try the patience of Ghana. How many years you've stayed here in Ghana? I'm not quite sure that this bubbling inertia is beginning to sound to you like it's a friendly one. No, absolutely unfriendly and untenable. But you are going far to provoke the animal in Ghanaians.
Iboki, be very careful. Path now we're treading a very dangerous path. Here, Ghanaians, you might think we are hospitable. But when you touch here, other side now, we are very dangerous people. From the Nyama may gather no means no Ghanaian wants you even in Ghana. Let a local you come and celebrate. The will of the people at this time is saying, we are not Nigerians. Nigeria for Moko World Cup, World Cup, no. We are not Nigerians, we are Ghanaians, proud Ghanaians. Yenimiyedim. Enti papa, Se wafufo na enkofo in position. I'm out there confidence and assurance say sa festival no be so a forget it. E ka festival grand na ho bebre ye no kra yenkobi. Masa bisa hu say e die botae na wo papa chima or person at all costs or di festival no Ghana. Na information kakra mahu ni say apart from the niyama allegedly oye no a grand scheme on ne ahemfo bi every Nigeria and on my say they will come and capture Ghana. Yes, I'm telling the security services because say ya only way who go be fear no say bra me fear na maba ye nyare 6 o'clock who can tell me say me dem nyare 6 na me nyare o person nyare 6 akọ na ko nyare 6 the Igbo king should be careful. Because only be yeah, person baby be near tarnish the image of Ghana. But Nigerians have been out on our neck for a long time. Ghana did the burning in Nigeria for, and who allowed that thing to go on? She said Ghanaians are wide awake. They are testing the waters. Now Ayariga Mahama, one sorry, now when you be the next move from Nigerians will shock you. I'm telling you. I will test the waters to see how Ghanaians will react, including the president of Ghana. Now you reacting here, now you reacting boldly and firmly. The next action they will take is to shock Ghanaians. Yes. Because when they are emboldened, no, who say, I'm going to buy enough for your market, no juma, or any strategy. And then for what's on Nigeria for? They be me drive it, me catch any person movie out. Okay, so how dare you? And I'm so what are what by me chrome? You are asking me how dare me? Me dare me fast spell. Me again and you. Me to me chrome. Me fast spell. You see, Ghanaians by nature we are stupid because we let these fools come to their country and then they come and dictate to us. Now one person, he needs to be celebrated. Hassan Ayariga was a UN, Wako FBI for Akko or the name you see Ghanaian police, you are losing your trust to. And then Ghana ni fi hano koho. You could say Hassan Ayariga.
Do not parade yourself as the leader of the Igbo in Ghana. I personally have petitioned the FBI, ICC for all your criminal activities in Ghana.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon. The name is Xposed, 7 Ghana TV. Today there was a massive demonstration in Ghana against Igbos and Nigerians concerning or in relation to their activities. According to organizers, their activities are criminal. So it was a very beautiful event, you know. It was very colorful, it was well attended. And as you already know, Mr. Ayariga is a politician. He addressed us, he told us that it's about time these Igbos and Nigerians started packing up because Ghana is tired of their activities. He also threw a caution to the Igbo king. Now he says he's no longer an Igbo king. He says he's now the chief or Igbo community leader. Ayariga asked him to start packing up because he's already reported him to the FBI, International Criminal Courts. In fact, he went on, he gave lots of investigative bodies that he, Ayariga, has reported the Igbo king Chukwueze to. So it was a very colorful event and I wouldn't take much of your time. I wouldn't like to take much of your time actually. Let's go and watch the videos and listen to some of the things that Mr. Ayariga told us.
I also ni ade ne kona we hu se wan sori no anya bibia nkoyie nti ono kasa akọ eho akọ ade nyama papa ne ye akọ o de akomo so mo hwem no mo hu se papa no a criminal. These are the kind of people that we need. Ayariga Mahama, I keep on saying, so most of us have very high hopes for you. It's not by fine language or fine talk. It's by action. Say action is fine. And no, everyone say, I don't know who can let your actions speak. And how does it speak? It will speak only when after who say, I don't know who and yes, na umma Igbo ki mejegina ha no de sika fia bi na nam ha dia ya mpere ma o Hassan Ayariga yen nyina tawachi Then no demonstration be 17th. Ewa haya ye baby. Ye banso de aboa Friday. Oboa. Ye be take the kwa momo who say yes, Ghanaians we've come of age. I expose GHFM Bembros subscribe share. Me too man answer ka be manuasi.